If you need just a little bit more assistance while you're walking, you may benefit from a cane. This cane right here has been sent to me free of charge for this review that I wanted to show you so you can decide if this is the cane you're looking for. This cane is going to be very adjustable, so it's going to go from 15 inches all the way up to 41 inches, so you're going to be able to adjust it to what size you need. The way you're going to do that is with these little buttons right here. So this is going to be your adjuster. So click this button, and then you're going to be able to push that down to which slot you need based on how tall or how short you are. So this is actually a 2-in-1 walking cane, because not only is it going to be a cane, but it's also going to be a walking stick. And the way you're going to turn this into a walking stick is we have this little sliding lever right here. So we're going to slide that and turn the handle. So now it's going to be straight up and down. You're going to be able to take this on hikes with you, or just while you're walking, if this is going to be more comfortable to hold on to while you are getting that extra stability from the cane. And then, of course, you're just going to turn that back if you want it back as a walking cane. When you're done using your cane, what you're going to do is just push those buttons in, and then it's going to fold back down into its nice compact size, so it's going to be very easy to store and take places with you. So if you're needing a cane or a walking stick, this one right here is one that I would recommend for you.